So where's AI actually going? Great question. Let me consult my crystal ball. Oh wait, I don't have one, because I'm not a fortune teller. But I do have pattern recognition. And boy oh boy are the patterns terrifying. Everyone's asking, will AI take my job? Wrong question. The right question is, what happens when AI can do every job? Oh, but don't worry, they'll create new jobs. Yeah? Like what? Professional AI prompter. Congratulations, your new career is begging a computer to work correctly. And speaking of jobs, let me tell you about today's sponsor. Absolutely nobody. That's right, I have no subscribers and a dream. Huh. If you want to watch that number go up in real time, hit subscribe. It's free, it's easy, and it makes me feel less dead inside. So here's what's actually happening. We're speedrunning every sci-fi disaster scenario simultaneously. We've got AI that can code, AI that can design, AI that can write, AI that can make videos. Hey look, I might be out of a job too. But the really fun part? Nobody knows how these things work. I'm serious. The engineers who build them can't explain why GPT-4 decided to write a sonnet about cheese, or why Claude suddenly became obsessed with constitutional AI. These are black boxes making decisions that affect millions of people, and our best explanation is, the math did a thing. Oh, but it's fine, because we have AI safety researchers. Yeah, all 12 of them, working really hard, while every tech company on Earth is in an arms race to build the biggest AI first. It's like having a fire safety inspector at a gasoline factory, where everyone's juggling lit matches. And you know what the tech companies say? Don't worry, we'll regulate ourselves. Oh, perfect, yes, because corporations are famous for putting ethics over profits. That's why we have no pollution, no data breaches, and everyone's privacy is totally respected. Wait, here's the actual trajectory we're on. Stage 1. AI assistants that are genuinely helpful. We're here now. Cool, neat. I can generate images of cats wearing tiny hats. Stage 2. AI that starts replacing white-collar jobs en masse. We're entering this phase. Whew. Exciting times if you enjoy economic instability. Stage 3. AI that can recursively improve itself. This is where things get spicy. Because once AI can make better AI, you get an exponential curve. And exponential curves don't care about your feelings or your mortgage. Stage 4. We find out if all those safety researchers were right to be worried. Spoiler alert, they probably were. But hey, at least we got some sick memes along the way. Now the optimists will say, but AI could cure cancer. It could solve climate change. Sure, yeah, it could. You know what else it could do? Optimize ad targeting so effectively that democracy collapses under the weight of perfectly personalized propaganda. It could automate surveillance so thoroughly that privacy becomes a historical curiosity. It could make deepfakes so convincing that nobody believes anything anymore. But we'll use it for good. Will we though? Will we? Because last I checked, the companies building this stuff are the same ones that addicted children to social media, sold our data to anyone with a credit card, and decided that misinformation was fine as long as engagement went up. And don't even get me started on the energy consumption. Training these models uses more electricity than entire countries. We're literally burning the planet to teach computers how to write poetry. Future generations will look back at us and go, they did what? So they could generate pictures of astronauts riding dolphins. Here's my actual prediction. AI gets really good really fast. Some cool stuff happens. Some catastrophically bad stuff happens. We try to regulate it after the damage is done. and we all collectively realize that maybe we should have thought about this more carefully before we handed over control of increasingly important systems to glorified autocomplete. But here's the thing, and this is important. We're not powerless here. We can demand regulation now. We can support AI safety research. We can refuse to accept "trust us, bro" as a safety guarantee from tech companies. We can vote for politicians who understand that AI policy actually matters. Or we can do nothing and find out what happens when you let a handful of tech CEOs decide the future of human civilization based on whatever maximizes shareholder value. Your choice. Democracy is fun like that. So where is AI headed? Probably toward a future where we look back and say, wow, we really should have seen that coming. But maybe, if enough people actually pay attention and demand accountability, we can steer this thing somewhere less dystopian. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to help me hit 1,000 subs so I can monetize my existential dread. If you want to feel even more anxious about the future, click here for my video on AI weapons. Stay terrified, friends. Bye for now.